So from Chhattisgarh to Punjab, no end to the revolt. This is the Sidhu versus the Captain Amrinder turf war. This is ugly and out in the public. What precisely is happening is, remember that while Malli, who's been the advisor of Navjot Singh Sidhu, has resigned, there were remarks on Kashmir, there were remarks on India and Indira, and importantly, direct charge against Captain Amrinder Singh. But is that enough? Or a defiant Navjot Singh Sidhu is going to return and return strongly against his own Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh.
Navjot Singh Sidhu is not holding back in his attacks against Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh. At an event in Amritsar on Thursday, Sidhu fired another salvo.
राजनीति गंदली होगी, मैली होगी, तंगा बन गया बस सिर्फ और स्टेट के रिसोर्सेज सारे निजी जेबां दे विच जा रहे हैं.
After being told that Amrinder Singh is captain of Punjab, Sidhu also sent out a warning to the Congress High Command, declaring that if he's not allowed to make decisions, he will bring everything down.
जे मैं इस पंजाब मॉडल दे उत्ते इन्हां लोकां दियां आसां दे उत्ते खरा उतरूं, मैं अगले साल 20 साल राजनीति दे विच कांग्रेस नूं जाण नहीं दूं. लेकिन जे तुसीं मैनूं निर्णय नहीं लैण दोगे तो फिर मैं इट ना इट भी खड़काऊं.
Sidhu's outburst comes after he was warned by the Congress Punjab in charge Harish Rawat and told that the 2022 elections will be fought under the leadership of Amrinder Singh alone.
उनसे कोई मीडिया की रिपोर्ट या मीडिया के सवाल के आधार पर तो बात करूंगा नहीं, लेकिन मैं जानकारी लूंगा किस संदर्भ में कहा है, क्योंकि ये क्या है पूरा प्रसंग देख करके बात करेंगे. और उनको फैसले लेने की पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट को छूट ना हो तो फिर किसको छूट होगी.
While Sidhu remains defiant, the captain too isn't giving up. On Thursday night, the Punjab Chief Minister was at a dinner thrown by one of his trusted aides, Rana Gurmeet Singh Sodhi, with 58 MLAs and 8 MPs in attendance. A resolution declaring captain as the leader for the 2022 campaign was also passed.
जब जनरल सेक्रेटरी जो इंचार्ज हैं हरीश रावत जी, ये बात उनके भी ध्यान में आ चुकी है. पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री जी उन्होंने भी बात कह दी है और मेरे हिसाब से अगले 1-2 दिन में जो भी फैसला है इन इश्यूज को लेके सामने आ जाएगा.
A show of strength by the captain and a declaration of war by Sidhu, the crisis in the Punjab Congress is clearly far from over. Bureau Report, India Today.
So the Congress party did crack the whip, especially for Punjab. Remember, Malvinder Singh Malli, a controversial advisor of Navjot Singh Sidhu, had been one by one giving a series of comments, not just perhaps on Kashmir, on India, but against his own Chief Minister, Captain Amrinder Singh. But the question remains that it seems Navjot Singh Sidhu has not taken it lightly. And why? Take a look at this controversy.
Motormouth Malli has been shown the door. Malvinder Singh Malli resigned as Navjot Singh Sidhu's advisor after the High Command said enough is enough. The Congress directed Sidhu to get rid of his advisor for his relentless public attacks against the Punjab Chief Minister. After posting Captain Amrinder Singh's picture with a Pakistani journalist, Malvinder Singh Malli had called Amrinder Alibaba and his supporters as Charlie's Chor. Sidhu's advisor continued his personal attacks on the Chief Minister, this time choosing an Arabian Nights folklore to snipe at Captain's army. Besides calling his supporters as Charlie's Chor of 40 thieves, Malli didn't spare senior Congress leader Manish Tiwari either, calling him Ludhiana's Bhagoda or a proclaimed offender. Malli didn't stop there. He even labelled Captain Loyalist and Public Works Department Minister Vijay Inder Singla as one of the 40 thieves. Malli's remarks did not go down well with the Captain camp. On Tuesday, Malli posted a picture of Captain with a Pakistani journalist to counter the Chief Minister's attack on him for calling Jammu and Kashmir a separate country. Captain Amrinder Singh and his aides warned Malli against issuing anti-India remarks, but he remains unapologetic.
if someone does not respect the unanimous position taken by the Indian Parliament on this issue, forget political parties, this is the unanimous national position on this issue, then a very, very serious question manifests itself that should such a person be really even a part of the country.
Mali even defended his post, showing Indira Gandhi holding a gun with a human skull hanging from the barrel.
ਇਹ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਐਂਟੀ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਨੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਨੇ 89 ਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਨੌਕਰੀ 'ਚ ਲਿਆ, ਮੈਂ ਫੋਟੋ ਹਟਾ ਦੂੰ ਜੋ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ ਸੰਪਾਦਕ ਸੀ ਉਹਦਾ, ਉਹ ਤੇ ਲੇਖ ਛਪੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ, ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਕਹਿ ਦੋਗੇ ਆ ਲੇਖ ਨੇ। ਮੇਰਾ ਨਵਜੋਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਬਾਰੇ ਏਜੰਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝ ਆ, ਇਹ ਸਾਂਝ ਖਾਤਰ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਤਿਆਰ ਆ।
The endless controversial remarks by his advisors have put Navjot Singh Sidhu in a tight spot. But while Mali has resigned now, Sidhu never publicly rebuked or condemned his aide's comments. Bureau Report, India Today.